This video will demo how to set up a standard subscription. To get started, you're going to go down to Setup, Subscriptions, and then go to Subscription Settings. Here, make sure that you've named what you want to call your defaults. This usually is subscriptions or memberships. And then make sure that this is changed to Patron Manages Ticket Assignment. So for a standard subscription, the user will be entering in a code or their email in order to validate. So you want to make sure that they have access to that online. So make sure that that's set to Patron Manages Ticket Assignment, and then scroll down and click on Save. Next, you're going to go over to Seasons. Here you'll find all of your seasons, so your 2017 season, your 2018 season, etc. As you can see, I already have a 2018 season set up, so I can add a subscription to this one. Or if you are doing this for the first time, you'd click on Add Season, name your season, and then set up the date range for the subscriptions that are within that season. So now that I have one, I'm going to click on the subscription area right here, or click on subscriptions down there. So I'm going to click right here. And I'm now going to add a standard subscription. So click on Add. Make sure that standard subscription is selected. And my group name, so if you see in the background, this is a group name. So I called this group name Flex Passes so that I could maybe create a few different choices of Flex Pass packages. So that's all a group name is. So now I'm going to do a different one. This is going to be called Standard Subscriptions. And my subscription group name, I'm just going to call this one Adult. That's my base one. Set the number of tickets that they get per event. So I'm going to set this to 1. They get 1 ticket per event. And my price is going to be $300. For your validation, you can do this either per event or per event date. I only want them coming to my show one time per show during my like musical season. So I'm going to click on Tickets per Event. Set up the sales date and end. So this is good for me. This is when they can use that subscription code, either online or in the box office, when it will be valid for. So I'm also happy with this. If you wanted to offer an additional discount, you can set that up here. This would be in addition to their benefits. So maybe you might give them like $5 off any additional ticket that they happen to buy in the system. So I don't want to do that though. I'm just going to leave that at none and then click on Add. I can also do a group description. This would describe all of my subscription packages with inside this area right here, so I can add another one if I wanted to. So you could say something along the lines of like, these include this. You can also do a description on the subscription level. So I could click on Edit Description here and then say what this one package happens to be. So I said 1 ticket per show to our 2018 season. Click on Save. Once you have your subscription built, you need to activate them on the template level or on the ticket level. So I'm going to go to Templates and then click on Seating Templates. And here I've already built out 2 templates. I have my assigned seating template and I have my general admission template. I'm going to focus right now on the general admission one. So if you don't have a template, there's a video on how to make templates. You just click on Add Template, you find your venue, and then you set up your pricing for your template. So I want to modify my general admission template. So I'm going to click on the name, and now I'm going to turn on the subscriptions that are eligible for that ticket. So my adult ticket, I want to make sure that this is just turned on. Okay. Once that's turned on, I can click on Finish. I can do the other tickets too if I wanted to allow that as well. I could also do that. Once that's done, you're going to go to your event and then just start to build your event. So you'd close out of Setup, go to Events, and then click on Create New Event or Open Events, and then build out the event, and then apply that pricing template with the subscription built into it, and then you'd be good to go. If you've already built it and this is a general admission event, you can apply the template to it if you have not sold any seats yet. So for this general admission event that I've already built, I have not sold anything, so I can now apply that template that I just made. So I'm going to click on Manage Tickets, and I'm going to click on Load Seat Map, and I'm going to use my general admission one that I just did and click on Apply Template to these 3 dates. Apply Template. So now I've replaced my old pricing structure with the new one that has the subscription built into it. For an assigned seating event, it's a little bit different. You're going to go to, for the assigned seating one, you actually activate this on the event date level and the section level. So for my show of assigned seating, I have 2 event dates. So I would go here, now turn this on for this ticket for all of these. You'd go through your entire season, all of the event dates, and turn this on. Same thing for my next show. I'm just going to go and make sure that these are all turned on. Okay, once they're turned on, you can go ahead and sell a subscription now. So I'm going to go to my handy URL on the bottom here and click on that. So I can see my FlexPass subscription up top and then my standard subscription. So I'm going to buy one of these. I'm going to actually buy 2, so I want 2 tickets in my package. And I'm going to click on Checkout and then go through the buying process. Okay, so now I've bought my subscription. When I click on Print Order Confirmation, I'll see that I have the subscription. Here's my subscription code. And I can click on the subscription to view its details. So here's the how it works. This is the system default. If you want to override that, you can. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to go over to Setup, Subscriptions, Subscription Settings. And I want to do my own, so I'm going to click on the how it works and paste this in here. And then you might change 1 or 2 things, whatever you'd like, and click on Save. That's going to do 2 things. One, it's going to make it so that you can modify the default message. In addition, on my subscription page here, my order confirmation, that message will actually now appear on the top. So you can have kind of like a little welcome message right here. So this would then show up right here, and that also shows up over here as well. And then individual details will show up right there under the subscription details area. So now I can use my subscription code to purchase a ticket either online or in the box office. So I'm going to go to my website, and now I'm going to buy my tickets. So I'm going to click on General Admission, and I'm going to click on Attend. And now I can sign in right here, sign in up top. I can do it in a number of different places. I'm going to go ahead and just add my tickets to my cart. And I'm going to enter in my subscription code. So now I get those 2 free tickets that I purchased, and that's it. So that is how you set up a standard subscription. Let us know if you have any questions.